Question number 34. Which cross-section best represents the convection current in the mantle beneath the Peru-Chile Trench? Now for this question, you would think that you need to use the reference table, but you don't need to use the reference table at all. It's really asking you about convection currents, and what you really need to know, anytime you have a trench, that means that one plate is sinking beneath the other. And now, to do this, you really just have to look at the arrows that are spinning beneath the plates. This is what a convection current is. It's caused by heat inside of Earth. It causes a rotating mechanism to move the plates. The plate tectonics, the whole deal. All right, it's kind of a big deal. Now the trick here is you can see here that the trench is sliding down. Okay, all the images are the same. It's just trying to figure out which arrows are the same, are correct. Now, I would say you just have to look at the arrows and the direction that they're pushing it down. So, if you look at number 1, you can see that this one is moving in the right direction because you could see that it'd be pulling this one down, pushing it down beneath the continental plate, under it, melting it. So it's definitely right, number 1. And number 2, it's moving in the opposite direction. So that would slide this plate this way, away from this area, and that would cause a mid-ocean ridge. Number 3, again, is correct because it's pulling it down, it's pushing it down beneath the continental plate. And 4 is going in the opposite direction, so that's not correct. So right now, we're left with number 3 and number 1. Now, again, if the plates are moving away from each other, if they're diverging, like this one is pushing it away, this plate would be sliding away from this, and this trench wouldn't form. So it cannot be number 1 because the plate is moving away. They would both be moving in the same direction, so that wouldn't work. That wouldn't cause a trench. But here on number 3, you have the oceanic plate rotating and being pulled beneath the continental plate, and the continental plate pushing towards the oceanic plate. Eventually, it's going to cause volcanoes and mountains here, but that's not necessary for our question. Whenever you have a trench, you need to know the plates are converging, meaning they are moving towards each other, and the oceanic plate is going beneath it, pulling the plate down, causing a trench.